Another example that we can get inspired from or learn from is the lives. If you look at the lives of Hazrat Dawud A.S and then his son Hazrat Suleman A.S, Allah blessed them with kingdom as well as prophethood. In Surah Sa'd, ayat number 39, Allah Ta'ala says, هَذَا أَتَاؤُنَا فَمْنٌ أَوْ أَمْسِكْ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. This is our gift, so grant or withhold without account. So here Allah Ta'ala is addressing these prophets, and He is telling them that this is a gift from me. This kingdom, this authority is a gift from me to you, and now I am not going to hold you to account. So you can do what you like with this authority and kingdom and all these resources. They are completely at your disposal. Do what you like with it. So this is the freedom of choice that is being given, but obviously it is coming with a certain responsibility. And as we are aware from their lives accounts, both these prophets used their power and resources for beneficial projects for their people. And in fact, Hazrat Suleman A.S. died while supervising the work of the Jannat. There were huge projects that were undertaken by Hazrat Suleman A.S, and it was all done for the welfare of the people.